Avular, alumnus from our second class of 2014, helps drone operators, research institutions and other companies to obtain meaningful data from the skies. Their systems gather data for a variety of applications, but mainly for industrial inspections, surveying and agricultural applications. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ramon Haken of Avular.
Welcome, Ramon.
Hi, Yannick.
Good to see you. Good to see you again. Hey, so this is probably a stupid question, but I'm gonna ask it anyway, because I saw in the news, and I read it in the newspaper, I think last week or the week before, that national police decided to train big hawks or other big birds of prey to track and hunt down drones. So I immediately thought of you guys. Are they going to track and hunt down your drone?
Yes, I read that too, Yannick. But don't worry, we are making drones for the industry, and we're not making enemy drones.
Okay.
Actually, I brought an animation, so maybe we can show that first?
Yeah, please. And tell us what we're seeing then.
Yeah, so here you see the drone that we've built. It's called the Precision Scout, and it's about 1 meter long. And you can easily attach the arms using the quick lock system, or swap batteries, change payloads, and that's what we built.
Now, I know that these drones, if you see them, they're more impressive. So did you bring one?
Yes, I did. Nikki, can you come over? Yeah, so here it is. This is the Precision Scout. We've introduced it and showed it on demo day 2 editions ago. Just put it here on the table.
Yeah, I think it will fit. So Ramon, tell me, who buys these drones? Because they're huge.
Yeah, we are selling those drones to the companies that do inspections at big industrial sites. For instance, chemical plants, wind parks, oil platforms. And normally these inspections need to be done using scaffolding or rope access, and that's very expensive. Yeah. So with our drones, they can often do the same inspection in a fraction of the time. And that's a very easy business case.
And what does this drone cost?
The price of this drone is somewhere between 30 and 60K, depending on the configuration. And for that, they get the drone, of course. They get the camera system, some batteries, but also a maintenance plan.
Okay, cool. Hey, getting back to demo day, you guys got funded on stage, right? With the Chinese investors. So what sort of thing was that?
Yeah, of course, we enjoyed the moment. But I think overall, the whole deal-making process was a big learning experience in itself. And of course, it made it possible for us to move forward with our company, Avular.
Can you explain a bit about that moving forward?
Yeah, well, during the HighTechXL program, we really did our homework. We went out of the building, and we went to every potential customer out there. And we knew exactly what to do. So what we did is we made decisions and really focused on getting our drone to the next level. And a couple of months ago, we met again, and we signed up our first paying beta customers. And in the next 2 months, we will be shipping our first batch of drones.
Ah, that's wonderful.
So that's a big milestone.
Cool, congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey, during this process, what was your biggest headache?
Yeah, at a certain point in time, there is a very clear understanding within the team about the needs in the drone market. And on one side, you want to spread the message, but on the other side, you really know that developing hardware takes time. Yeah. And finding a balance between the two is sometimes very challenging.
Yeah, you need to focus. Yeah. So what can we expect from you guys in the future?
Yeah, of course, we need to turn the delivery of the first systems into good success stories for our customers. So that's our primary focus. And of course, we need to use their feedback to further improve our products and services.
And your current customers are only in the Netherlands, right?
At this moment, for the beta program, yes.
I assume you want to scale. And when scaling, I can imagine that regulatory issues on safety are huge because they differ country by country. How are you gonna handle that issue?
Yeah, that's a question we get very, very often. But honestly, we don't see the regulations as a threat. We see it as an opportunity. Like every startup, we can easily adapt to changes, and we can be flexible, and we can implement new stuff very, very fast.
Spoken like a true startup. Hey, you told me about this very recent project that is linked to this. because you just got a project with a number of big guys in this market, that you're actually going to set the bar internationally concerning safety for drones.
That's correct, Annick. So apart from running our beta program, we launched an initiative called the Drone Safety Cluster. It's here in Eindhoven together with key players in the drone market. For instance, the Eindhoven University of Technology, Sky Vision Drones, Blue Jay, it's a student team. And together with them, we will set the new safety standards for the drone market. And I think this will lay the foundation of the long-term success for our company. And of course, it will help us to dominate the professional drone market over the next decade.
Fantastic. Thank you for your story. Ladies and gentlemen, Ramon Haken.